We also have Leo Gorodinski joining us as well, the CTO. And Leo, describe some of your experiences as well as you're growing this. Being the CTO, you're probably in this stuff day in and day out. What are some of the coolest things that you've gotten to work on, or some of the surprise challenges as you're developing this platform?
So the coolest thing is that our software has a very concrete impact on the work of these trucking companies, these freight brokerages. As Ava was saying, Excel is very limited, but Excel is probably the most popular tool used by these freight brokerages. And the best way to see its limitations is just to spend a day with one of these trucking companies and see all the things that they have to do. Excel just doesn't cut it. Excel is sort of like sharing a whiteboard between the whole team, but they have to go in and write things down, erase things, replace things. And so it doesn't really take much imagination to come up with a platform that eliminates a lot of this overhead with using Excel spreadsheets. And that's one of the coolest things, is like, it's like we don't have to reinvent the world. We just use existing technology, apply it in the right way, and we have a very, very direct impact on these trucking companies, which are the companies that move freight around the country. And that's one of the coolest things. We're just scratching the surface. This industry seems to be overlooked. The whole world is focused on like crypto and stuff like that. But the things that actually matter, the things that actually move stuff around this earth, are overlooked. And that's one of the coolest things about working on this. There's a lot of improvements to be made, and we're finding new things every day that can improve the workflows of all of these trucking companies. There's a lot of them, and I think that there's a lot of opportunity for improvement.